Good morning, guys. Oh man, am I tired this morning. I'm heading off to my hair appointment. My hair looks like I don't know what, but it'll be all lovely and fresh later on. I did not sleep well at all last night. I ended up having to put a sleep app on to actually get asleep in the end, and I don't know why, because there's nothing on my mind or nothing bothering me. I don't know, maybe it was the coffees I had yesterday. I had a few too many, perhaps. I'm wearing my little Swatch Queen long sleeved t-shirt thing that I got yesterday. I really like it. I better head out the door now because I will be late for my appointment. I just can't wait to have my hair done. Oh man, it's cold. Sorry, the heater's on full blast. I kind of needed to defrost the car. I threw like water on top of the car, but it's still kind of a little frozen, and I am going to be late for my hair appointment now because I couldn't get up this morning and then defrosting the car. Oh, it's all fun and games like that. I have no major plans today because obviously myself and Damien are not going out tonight. Oh, it's so cold. I was going to go for a little run today, but I don't think I'll be doing that because the weather is so cold. Sorry, let's just turn down that heater. I'm not eating healthy at all. I know everybody starts the new year off trying to lose weight, and I'm starting it off trying to gain weight, and it's just really hard, guys. Yesterday I was like, oh, I'm so happy because I'd put on a pound over Christmas, and then I weighed myself last night and I had lost 2 pounds yesterday. Obviously I know it's like water and maybe I was retaining some fluid or something like that, but it is incredibly frustrating. So I'm just eating Doritos by the packet load, like lots of Pringles, and do you know what? I know some people might be like, oh, I don't want to hear about like the weight gain that you have to put on and she's just showing off and blah blah blah. I know people will say that, but if you were watching somebody's weight loss journey, you probably wouldn't make remarks like that, and you probably wouldn't say, I don't want to hear about your struggles and I don't want to hear about, you know, your daily kind of issues or whatever. But this is real life for me, and a weight gaining like diet is like something that I'm strongly obviously participating in. And yesterday I was just so frustrated because after, you know, like I said, over Christmas I gained 2 pounds, and then I was like, is there something wrong with my thyroid? But then I don't have that much energy, and I know you can get like low energy and stuff with thyroids, but I got my bloods taken by my doctor back in October and everything came back whole fine and dandy. So I don't know what is the story with my body. Like, my body is so like underweight. It's chronic. Like, it's not even attractive. It's not even like, oh wow, I'm so happy with my body. Do you know what? I love my body because I love myself from the inside out, and I've not been vain or, you know, like been like, oh, I'm so in love with myself, narcissistic. I'm just saying I do love myself. Like, I try and take care of my body as best as I can. But when you weigh yourself after being like 109 pounds at Christmas, and then I weighed myself last night and I was 107 pounds, I was like, what is wrong with my, like, there's something medically wrong with my body. And I know I'm not taking in enough calories, I understand that, but it's extremely difficult to take in enough calories when your body has been deprived of so many calories for so long, and it was due to stress and stuff, which I no longer have stress like that in my life anymore. So eating is not the issue, it's the gaining weight that's the issue. So after having not eaten that many calories for so long, my stomach has shrunk, and I know because I'm a qualified nutritionist and I understand the whole mechanics of what's happening to my body right now, and I also understand what I need to do to fix it, but it's not working. So they recommend they eat little and often. That is what I was thought, and that is what I am practicing. But and if you're gaining weight, high calorie foods, but try not to go with saturated trans fats and stuff like that, because that's still going to cause problems with heart. So even though you have, like, you're underweight or whatever, you can still cause heart problems. So I understand how to gain weight adequately and properly, but it's just not happening, and it's extremely frustrating. And I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like I'm going to have to sit down now in the next week and actually write out a meal plan for myself of high calorie, high protein, high fat, but mostly unsaturated and polyunsaturated fats and not too much saturated fats. My friends are concerned now at the moment, and I know like I'm absolutely and utterly fine, like what I said with stresses and stuff like that, but obviously when you, or you know, maybe if you haven't seen someone in a while and then they've like lost 20 pounds. I've lost 20 pounds since October, so that is, you know, it's a lot of weight. And from going from like 5'4", 5'5", then like 127 pounds down to 107 pounds, it is a dramatic, you know, appearance. And just some of my friends were like, oh, are you okay? Like, I hope you're not like sick or anything like that. And I was like, no, I'm actually genuinely fine. It's just my appetite is suppressed a little bit at the moment. But look, we're gonna get there. And like I said, this is supposed to be positive because I know I have a lot of people who follow me and they're looking for weight gaining advice also. So this is not to be like showing off, because that's just foolish. This is just real life, and I'm just trying to help people because I know there is some of my followers who are actually struggling with weight gaining as well. So I don't know, we'll figure it out anyway. But I'm just at the shop now because I'm gonna go and run in and get a coffee and a jambon because I need the calories. So I'm back home. My battery died and that's why I didn't vlog outside the hairdressers, and I got so much of my hair chopped off. It's like a little bit of a blunt bob, but obviously I can get my hair extensions back in next week, so I don't really mind. And it needed to be cut because it's been like a year, I'd say, since I've got it like properly chopped. So I just got all the dead ends taken off and it's nice and fresh, very soft and clean and ready for extensions to go back into it next week. I hate when my hair is so short like this because I don't know, I just feel like I have no hair, which I do have no hair, but my hair, like I have lots and lots and lots of hair. It's just really fine. I went to Penny's. I was gonna go and get a pair of shoes. My hairdresser Vicky was talking about these lovely like fluffy shoes that were in Penny's, but they had none in the Penny's beside me, so I instead picked up fitness gear. I only got like a pair of leggings anyway. I'll show you them in a sec. And I found a voucher in my bag, or my purse a couple of weeks ago, and not a voucher, like one of those cards, like gift cards, and there was actually €20 on it, so everything in Penny's cost me a fiver, so it would have been €25, but I had my gift card. Excited. There's nothing very exciting in it. I got this throw, a Marie throw. How could I not get this? It was €8 and just little Marie faces all over it. I have my Beauty and the Beast one with Cogsworth, Lumiere, Mrs. Potts and Chip on it, but that's going into the wash, and it's nice to have like a backup or a second one. I like these fluffy ones. I know of the Victoria's Secret one, but I just prefer this fluffy one. That's what the pattern on it looks like. Just all little Marie faces. So cute. Got underwear, not very exciting, but they were just black underwear. I needed them, obviously. So yeah, these are the leggings that I got in Penny's, or the whatever you call them, fitness pants. And I love the waistband of them because they have like a little zip in the back. I just love the pink panel going down the side of them. They are like a light grey, which I like. And then they just have pink, like I said, down to the about the knee, and then they have a little bit of pink on the other side. So I like them. And then I just got a plain tank top just to go with them. This was only €3, and then the fitness pants were 11. This is the skirt that I picked up in Topshop yesterday. I think this is something like the one Michelle has, but I just really wanted a black leather skirt. I don't have any black leather skirts, and I just love the shape of this one. It's like A-line. Is it A-line? I think that's what it's called. I feel like this is very like the one Michelle has, but I really like this anyway. This actually says it was €40, but when I got to the cash register, she only charged me 34, which I was very happy about. It's really nice because the inside of it's kind of soft, and it has like a little latch on the back and then a zip down the back. So I think I might wear that out tomorrow for dinner with Damien, and maybe like a long sleeve top or something with it. I know I'm going very, very fancy for a friend's night out, but sure, look. Yeah, I was so right. It was only €34, but on the tag it says 40. I don't know why.
she charged me 34. Maybe it was mislabeled on the tag, or I don't know. I didn't actually notice until I actually checked the price of the skirt when I got home. So there you go.
You can actually see how short my hair looks now. It's so short. I was gonna call out to Amy, but I texted her and I didn't hear anything back from her, so I don't know if she's home today. I'm going to instead work because you snooze you lose, Amy. I'll call out to her later on, but I'm just gonna work today because I still have to do my high-end favorites of 2017, and then I need to edit yesterday's vlog as well, so I think that's what I'm gonna do today. How exciting. I just finished editing my high-end favorites for 2017. 33 minutes long, guys. I'm sorry that it's so long. I hope you enjoy a bit more of a lengthy video because you're in for a treat. It took forever to edit as well, but it will be up tonight. Got an order of McDonald's for dinner with Fanta Orange. Favorite McDonald's chips, double cheeseburger, and 6 McChicken nuggets with barbecue sauce.